Whenever you type a word in the global search bar, it will always give you the first five relevant results. So the closest matches. And here you have some basic filtering, but this is a quick search. So now if I want to go ahead and have an advanced search, I will press enter on the keyboard. And here, as you can see, I have the full list of results. Now we want to search in one or in multiple teams or all the teams that I have created here in SciNote. Here in the more search options, I will go down to the filter by team. And here you will select all or just the teams that you want to search in. And here, as you can see, the results are complete because the first two tasks belong to the team I'm working in, but the others they belong to onboarding space or product development and so forth. So say for example that I want to access a task which is in um, yes onboarding space. Actually, yeah, here I can click on the item name, the result name. I can click on the task. I can click on the experiment or the team, up to me. So if I do this now, I will be basically redirected to that specific task and to the other team.